This game is called 7-Up Add Up. It's great for grade 2, grade 3 students, and maybe some older students who need some intervention and need to practice some foundational math skills. And to play this game, students can play in partners. They can even play solo, and each player needs a shaker with 7 standard dice in it to play. There's also a game board if you want to have students record their thinking, or they can record it just on a whiteboard like that. So let's play. Each player is going to get their shaker. They can stand up, they can dance. On EPD, I have a playlist that has a whole bunch of songs that use the word shake, so you can play one of those songs, because they're going to get up and dance, and when you stop the music, they're going to stop. Okay? They can take a seat at their whiteboard and check out the dice that they show. So I'm going to start with player 1 here. What we're going to do is add up these dice, but what we want to focus on here is using known facts and strategies to add them up efficiently. Now, some students might be tempted to just go left to right, but there's some interesting strategies that we can pull out and interesting observations that you can make about what students know and what they don't know about addition. So I'll model some of these. So let's see, I have a 1, 6, 4, 2, 2, 4, and 6. Now, I really like doubles, and I notice that I have a few doubles here, right? I have a 6 and a 6. That's a good one. I have a 2 and a 2, and I have a 4 and a 4. So what I'm going to do is 6 plus 6 equals 12. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. So those ones are pretty easy. Plus, I just have this one more 1 over here. I've gotten rid of all of those now. I can already see an interesting number here. I'm good at making 10s, and I can see that I have a 12 and an 8, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So 12 plus 8 I know is going to give me 20. Now, this is an easy one for me too. I know my numbers plus 1 and minus 1. So I know that 4 plus 1 is 5. And now I'm left with 2 numbers. Well, 20 and 5, that's easy. That's 25. Did you look at these numbers and do it in a different way? There's a million different strategies that you could use. Let's look at player 2. So I have 25. 25 is the number to beat. Okay, this is player 2's shake. We got some big numbers in here. Okay, so right off the bat, well, there's 4 4s here, right? We have 4. Let's just write these out. 4, 4, 6. Oh, there's 5 4s. So I have 5 4s, and I know that when I have multiple groups, that's repeated addition. It's also multiplication, right? I have 5 groups of 4. So I'm going to say, here I'm going to pull in some multiplication. 5 times 4 equals 20. So those are all gone. Now I have a 6 plus 5. Well, I know what 5 plus 5 is, right? I know my doubles really well, and I know my 10s. So 5 plus 5 is 10, but it's not 5 plus 5. It's 5 plus 6. So I need to add one more. 5 plus 6 is 11. So now I have a 20 and an 11. Well, I'm going to break these up into place value. This is a 20 and a 0. This one is a 10 and a 1. So 20 plus 10 is 30. 0 plus 1 is 1. So 30 plus 1 is 31. That's how I got my answer here. 31 is greater than 25, so player 2 is going to win that round. That's how we play 7-Up Add Up. I'm going to show you one more example here of some different thinking, see what kids know, and see what addition strategies maybe they can shape and stop. Okay, let's look at this one. So I have a 1, 6, 2, oh, that's a 4. A 1, a 4, a 1. Okay, I'm gonna use I think I'm gonna use a 10 strategy here. I have a 6 and a 4, and I know that makes 10. I have some plus 1s. I might just add these on right now. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. So those are all gone now. So a 1, a 10, a 3, and a 5. I might add this 3 and 5 together. 5 plus 3 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. And then I just have this 1. 18 plus 1 is 19. Maybe you saw these numbers in a different way than I did. That's what's so interesting and fun about this game. Our number to beat is 19. Let's see what player 2 did. Okay, here's player 2's dice. We have a 4, a 2, a 4, 5, 3, 4, 4. Lots of 4s in this game. Okay. I'm going to do doubles here. 4 and 4 is 8, and I have another double here, 8, and that gives me 2 doubles. I'm good at my doubles. So 8 plus 8 is 16. I know that. Okay, so now these are gone. What else do I have here? I can make 5s, right? I have a 2 and a 3. 2 and 3 is going to make me a 5. And the only number that I have left is a 5, and I like that because I like my doubles. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now these two numbers are really easy to add up. 16 plus 10 is 26. 26 is greater than 19, so once again, player 2 wins this round. That's how you play 7-Up Add Up. The other thing that you can do too, you have 9-sided dice in your packages and a whole bunch of other sided dice actually too. So you can use any of these different dice. They all fit within the shakers. So if you have a few students that maybe need a bit of an extra challenge, swap out the 6-sided dice for a larger numbered dice, and then it'll make the game more challenging, but everybody's still playing the same game. So that's a little modification. Have fun.